If you are looking to invest in your perfect RV steps with a platform, this video is made for you. With these new RV steps, you don't need to depend on the broken old down ones present outside your rig. Some features will help you choose the ideal RV steps for your rig. They are listed below. There are many products available to choose from. Best RV steps with platform, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best RV steps with platforms from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Artist Hand RV Step Stool. The grip strip structure of these RV steps makes it very secure, and the aluminum material makes the product durable. The aluminum construction is rust-proof, lightweight, and stable. The 4-leg support and the rubber gripper non-slip stands prevent the steps from slipping. The reflective strip makes it easy to use in the dark. The load capacity is 330 pounds. The non-slip belts on the side make the RV steps more secure. The humanized groove handles with foldable legs make the steps easily portable. The lock designs of the fold legs can open and close in a few minutes. Number 2. Light and Folding RV Step Ladder. This is a gray-colored aluminum alloy product that is sturdy and durable. The non-rust texture of the alloy product can help it ensure a long life. These steps have a foldable design which makes them easy to store and carry around. It can fit in any gap of under 3 inches. The foldable legs have a security lock pin system design which secures the legs, either open or close. The sandy top surface coupled with non-slip rubber feet can prevent any injuries from falling. The lightweight structure of 6.5 pounds can carry up to 440 pounds to 600 pounds of weight. Number 3. Lippert Solid Step. Lippert has come with wide aluminum treads with versatile leg extensions, which can work well even on uneven surfaces. These are available in multiple step configurations like quad, triple, double, and multiple sizes. You can easily fold these RV steps to store them easily. The recessed feet can increase the area for camping and prevent you from tripping and falling. It features a kick plate that prevents damage to the skirt and sidewall. The 13-inch extra wide top surface allows easy exit and entry from the RV. Additionally, the backing plate and mounting hardware are provided to mount on laminated wood flooring. The lift assist kit allows you to lower and raise the steps easily with just one hand. The Easy Assist handrail enables moving up and down the stairs simpler. Additional features like the storage box and all-purpose floor tray enable you to store things with ease and under all circumstances. The safety latches on both sides lock the step securely. The easy handle allows you to disable the latches safely. Number 4. Quickie 32 Series Electric Step Assembly. Quickie guarantees a premium range of RV steps and the necessary accessories which can keep you ahead of other people. The heavy-duty steel and powder-coated black finish ensure longevity. The solid and durable steps can be stored easily inside the RV's door. The adjustable steps enable it to stabilize in any terrain. These aluminum RV steps are constructed with a stylish and sleek aesthetic aluminum design. These steps can be customized into 3-step configurations. The top surface of the steps is 24-inch wide, and the anti-skid feature can prevent you from falling. Additionally, the steps can be stored automatically inside the RV door. The parts are replaceable, which allows you to continue using them even if one part needs replacement. The RV steps can be folded and stored easily too. Number 5. Homvent Safety RV Steps. Homvent has come up with a platform ladder constructed of tubular steel, along with gripper non-slip strips that increases the friction and prevents you from slipping. Further, there are aluminum legs with rubber feet which can keep the stool stable and prevent it from slipping. The durable material is rust-proof and lightweight. The self-locking legs and the slip-resistant feet help to keep the RV step secure and stable. These RV steps have multiple uses, as they can be used as a portable chair or table, or as a step for RV, library, bathroom, kitchen, or outdoor. The lightweight design can support up to 330 to 440 pounds. The easy folding structure can be convenient to store and easily portable. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.